Hey, what's up guys? This is a dude from Ukraine. We'll be reviewing today Z-Line Galaxy glass computer desk. I got it from Staples for $169, but I had a $3 coupon, so I got it a little bit cheaper and there was free shipping. Desk is pretty nice. I really like it. It's I don't know. I like it a lot, guys. It's glass, looks slick, modern, contemporary, I guess, and looks pretty nice. Pretty spacious, so there's a lot of space, and just cool desk, guys. A couple things I don't like is that it leaves fingerprints, obviously, because it's a glass desk, so that's kind of a bad thing about it, but I don't really mind it. I really like the desk, so I kind of just go with it. Just wipe it sometimes and stuff like that. Keep it clean. There's the desk, guys. There's a lot of wires, I know, tangled down there, but I'm still kind of just got the desk and just planning how I'm gonna like hide them and stuff like that. So there's the desk from far away. My subwoofer system, the sound sticks, Harman Kardon. There's my iPhone, my sound sticks again. This is glass as well. It's just it's not clear glass. It's like dark black glass. That looks pretty nice. As you can see, there's the reflection. This is glass as well. This glass is like really heavy when I was installing it. My MacBook, again, black glass. Black finish over here. This is like metal or some kind of metal. There's my wireless my wireless mouse, and the glass part over here as well. Black finish. That slides in pretty nice. Then there's not really any shelves or anything like that. There's the metal piece going over there. The metal piece over there. So it's pretty nice. There's, oops, sorry about that. There's the desk again. I would recommend this desk if you like something contemporary. Looks pretty nice and just slick and spacious. Like, as you can see, there's place for my speakers, and it's really comfortable to sit on and stuff like that. So also, one thing I don't really like is it's okay, but it's a little bit shaky. It's here. Let me set up my tripod down, and I'll show you. I don't know if you will be able to see or not, but I'll show you a little bit how shaky it is and stuff. Alright, so if you shake it, it's a bit shaky, but I don't really shake it. I just sit down and do what I need to do, open this thing, use my keyboard, do whatever on the computer, and get done with everything I need to do. So sometimes it's a little shaky. If I like put my hand down, it's fine. It shakes maybe just a little bit, but don't really mind that. So also, here I have it pulled up on my computer right now. There's Staples.com. Yeah, it's a little bright. 169 Z-Line Galaxy. Alright, so, and there's also pieces to it. You can buy accessories, like there is a bookshelf and a computer file holder thing. Or, I'm sorry, not computer, printer. Let me zoom in a little bit. There's a printer holding thing, and it's like you can file storage or something like that. And a bookshelf you can buy also. So, pretty nice desk. I really like it. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, rate. Ask any questions you might have. I'll try my best to answer. Also, you can request a product review. I'll try my best to get it. And if I can, I'll just email you and tell you if I can or can't and stuff like that. So, thanks for watching again. Subscribe, comment, rate. Hope you enjoyed this and hope it helped you if you're shopping or just information. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.